Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've done a stash report, so I thought I would catch you guys up with a few things that I purchased lately. When Oshima announced that they were making the Toyota 2000 GT, I said, no big deal. Hasegawa's had one out for years. But what really surprised me with this kit is, of course, it's curbside, just like the others, but, let me find it. But look, they did all the chrome trim separate, so you don't have to use foil or anything to do all the chrome trim. Pretty neat. They also came out with a detail upset, and this detail upset's pretty neat. It's got the turned aluminum exhaust on it, as well as, brake rotors, the normal kind of stuff. But it also has the chrome surrounds for all of the gauges. That's really, really good. I'm really looking forward to building this one. I'll give you guys a full review when I go to build it. Notice the shirt I'm wearing here. This means something. Jeremy John from Clearly Scaled contacted me lately, and he said that he had some a Hellcat conversion kit back in stock. So I was so excited that I gave him my credit card number immediately. Let me show you what's in this box. All right, let's go through this box. Look, it's even got my name on it. Huge instructions, just like 10 pages of instructions. I did order a second Hellcat motor for another project that I'll announce later. But inside this box, beautiful set of wheels for Hellcat. You notice there's an extra. Decals. The hood that was never kitted. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Hellcat motor. I love Jeremy's stuff. This is the best resin casting. Just good stuff. The front end, and behind the tape here is the air inlets. The driver's side goes straight into the airbox, and the other side's just kind of a dummy one. But there's a grill in there too. The rear end with the, this is clear red, just like on the real car. A new spoiler for the rear end. And of course, new brakes. Now this goes with the 2009 Revell kit for the Challenger to convert a 2009 to a 2015 Hellcat. Another kit that I purchased, just couldn't live without it, is this Axia Skyline. Hasegawa just redid the tooling for this Skyline to R32, and love this livery. So bright and colorful. It'll really look good in my display case. Now, I don't just buy Japanese kits. My friend Kevin back in Ohio, he helps a reseller there in Ohio sell kits. And so I scored the Golden Commandos kit. I know, a drag car from James, but this is an amazing kit. And there's so many pieces in this box that if you take it out, you actually have to carefully put them back in the box because there's so much in this box that it barely fits back. I'll do a full review when I go to build this kit. Remember when I did the review of the Fred Flintstone Wacky Racing car? And I was so excited about that stupid livery. Well, I was at a show and I saw a guy had some kits and they were $3 each. So this one is the Zombie Island Scooby-Doo one. The most of the parts are off the trees and whatnot, and of course the decal sheet's yellow. I'll see if I can fix it. Will I ever build it? Maybe. But I couldn't give up. I just couldn't pass up the Scooby-Doo. He also had Tom and Jerry with Droopy Dog car, birthday car. $3, couldn't pass it up. And like I said, the The bags are all open, and decal sheet, of course, is a nice shade of yellow, but I'm a fool. I can't help it. This one's kind of interesting. It's a Mazda RX-7 Cabriolet. I remember seeing the hardtop a lot. It's red on the box, and this one was on eBay. It was like 20 bucks. It's missing one tire and the decals. So if you guys have the hardtop kit or this kit and you don't need the decals, I'd really appreciate it. I'd like to build this one box stock. I'm sure I can find a tire somewhere in my parts box. As you know, I'm a very big fan of the Good Smile Racing, and they just came out with another decal sheet for the Tamiya Mercedes AMG GT3 car. Let me let you look at this thing for a second. There's so much cool details in it. So here's the livery. As you can see, Miku's on the front of it, and on the side, flowers and Miku again. Just really, really, really cool. Basically, you paint the car white, the body white, and everything else is decals. Front and back. God, it's gorgeous. But what's cool is they give you the option of painting the black as well. So here, it's all the decals are in black. You just paint the body white and you apply the decals, and the black trim is all done for you. Or if you're crafty, you can go ahead and paint the body white and then mask it and paint all the parts black and use the decals here. But what I found is that you go with this side, do the decals, and if you screw something up, you basically got a spare over here. Oh, and one last thing, I don't just buy kits, I buy tools too. This is a 3-speed rotary tool that I got from Art Lasky at his shop. It's 3 speeds, slow, a little faster, and pretty fast. I use this grinding system. I use the grinding tools. It also comes with these bits. So there's some great assortment of bits in here. I've been using this a lot on the 40 Ford project that I'm working on, and we're just grinding up the chassis and whatnot. But I also use this with the polishing pads. With these, I found that my full-size Dremel is actually a little too fast, and I've caught a few edges using it. So a little slower speed, and it's light, compact, it's rechargeable. Really good product. I highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can get one. But good stuff. I think it was about $23. Very handy. Now I'm gonna get all deep on you. Why do we buy these kits? Why do we put so much value in these boxes of plastic parts? Is it something that you see on the street and you say, man, that is so cool. I wanna build one just like it. Is it an artistic outlet? Is it an addiction? I think it's more of an addiction than anything. But why do we collect them? Why do we have 100 kits built but 150 unbuilt kits? Where are we going to put them all? What are we going to do with the ones that we built? Why do we continue to build model cars? Why do we continue to collect them? Why do we collect that 40% off coupon to run to Hobby Lobby and go buy another kit? We already got 100. Please leave a comment below and let me know why you continue to buy model kits. Do you find that a shiny new kit makes you happy? Sometimes it's just the thrill of the hunt. Sometimes we search eBay and you find a deal, but is it really a deal if you spend money? If I was to put my kits up for sale, you'd probably get 50% of what you paid for it, or less, unless it's really collectible, and then you're at the hassle of negotiating, or take them to a show. And I just sold a whole bunch of big scale kits, that I probably broke even on them, but I held them for 5-6 years. So what do you guys think? That's enough of me ranting for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.